So I have a really neat demo that I like to do with my kids regarding refraction. So basically what I have is just a beaker half filled with water. But inside, notice how I have nothing in my hand. Inside, there are these translucent spheres. Again, gonna pop it into water, disappears. Go back down into it, pull it back up, right there. Basically what these are gelatin spheres. So they come in a pack of like 100. You can get small ones, you can get big ones. They start out like this. They're really hard. They're almost plastic-like. You drop a couple of these into a beaker, and what'll happen is leave them overnight, 12, 15, 18 hours. They'll absorb the water within the beaker. And that's why they appear to disappear. So they're kind of squishy. So if you want the kids to play with them, be ready for them to be destroyed. But they are actually really neat. They got a little elasticity to them, a little squishiness to them, but they are super smooth. They have the same properties of water. So when you put them in, the refractive property of the sphere is the same as the refractive property of water. That's why it looks like it disappears. So it's a really cool demo that I like to do with my kids. You know, one other thing that you can do is, and I'll try not to, I don't want any of these to kind of spill out. Let me see if I can just get the water to transfer. See if I can get the, all right, so that's pretty good. So I've kind of dropped the water out of the beaker, so they're all here. A couple of them have broken. They will break every once in a while, but if I just take my water, watch what happens. It completely disappears again. Pour the water back in, and they're gone. So it's really, it's almost like a magic trick. It's actually pretty neat to spot. So it's definitely something that if you want to have a little bit of a wow factor, again, I'm not doing a shameless plug here for educational innovations, but that's kind of where I got them. Super neat, very inexpensive, and they're just really fun to use. So that's my little demo that I like to use for refraction in class. Until next time, everybody.